all of you who have stood here, yourself, Bishop Mark Kariuki, Cleopa, all of you. And then I see the next generation. I really hope that you put more effort in mentoring them. That the next generation, my friend Pastor George, Bishop Weli, Julian, look for younger men also. Because we cannot afford the confusion that is coming up in many, many places. Today you switch on your TVs, everybody has a station saying all manner of things. We need a remnant. We need it. When I see 70 something, I am worried. Because the church is the salt of the earth. And that is why I'm happy every time we come, you interact with us. You're in the chaplain. Some people have said, put the church away from the state. But when you eat food, the salt is put in food or next to it. Inside, you can't eat and then you eat the salt later. It is mixed. The church must be mixed with things of God because stewardship is a gift from God. Please let us mentor more of these guys. And Weli, George, my good friend, Julian, please now let's conspire as a generation. And we conspire for Christ. Because we need that for the next 20, 30, 40 years to come. That our vision for this city, Jeremiah 33:9, that this city shall give him renown and glory, and other nations will tremble when they see what God does for Nairobi will become true. That is only if we conspire together. When you look at this generation of spiritual fathers, all of you who have stood here, yourself, Bishop Mark Kariuki, Cleopa, all of you. And then I see the next generation. I really hope